Dictation will start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today I wish to speak about the importance of discipline, efficiency, and adaptability in our professional as well as personal lives. Discipline is not merely a matter of following rules, regulations, or formal instructions. It is, in its deeper sense, the ability to train the mind and the body to work together towards a common purpose, even when distractions, temptations, or difficulties arise. A disciplined person does not simply obey authority, but develops the self-control and maturity to take correct decisions in every situation. Consider, for instance, the functioning of an office. If each employee arrived late, neglected responsibilities, or disregarded deadlines, the entire structure would collapse. No system, however well designed, can succeed if the individuals within it do not cultivate discipline. In contrast, when people respect time, honor commitments, and regulate their own behavior, the office becomes a model of order and productivity. This principle holds true not only for government departments, but equally for private organizations, educational institutions, and even the family unit. Efficiency is closely related to discipline, though it has a distinct meaning. Efficiency implies the ability to achieve maximum output with minimum wasted effort or resources. In the modern era, where time is money and competition is intense, efficiency has become a cardinal virtue. An efficient worker uses intelligence, planning, and foresight to complete tasks quickly without compromising on quality. Efficiency does not mean working hastily or carelessly, but rather applying skill, concentration, and precision so that results are achieved in the best possible manner. We may observe efficiency in nature itself. The honeybee collects nectar from thousands of flowers, yet wastes not a single drop. The ant builds its dwelling patiently, grain by grain, showing remarkable persistence. Human beings, however, often waste energy through laziness, confusion, or lack of planning. Thus, efficiency must be consciously cultivated. It requires training, awareness, and a constant effort to improve one's methods of work. Adaptability. The third quality I wish to emphasize is the capacity to adjust oneself to new circumstances, new environments, and new challenges. In an age of rapid technological progress, shifting economic conditions, and changing social expectations, Adaptability has become essential. A person who rigidly clings to old habits may soon find himself left behind. On the other hand, one who is flexible, open-minded, and ready to learn will always remain relevant. Adaptability does not mean abandoning principles or compromising values. It simply means applying timeless values in new contexts. For example, the principle of honesty is eternal, but the way in which honesty is practiced may differ in a digital workplace compared to a traditional one. Similarly, the principle of hard work is constant, but modern tools and innovations may change the methods by which work is carried out. Adaptability allows us to preserve what is essential while embracing what is useful and progressive. Discipline, efficiency, and adaptability are not isolated virtues. Rather, they reinforce one another. Discipline provides the foundation. Efficiency builds upon that foundation, and adaptability ensures continuity in the face of change. Together, they form a triad of qualities that every individual must cultivate in order to succeed. Let us also reflect upon the role of communication in this regard. Without clear communication, even the most disciplined, efficient, and adaptable person may fail to convey ideas or inspire confidence. Communication is not limited to the exchange of words, but includes tone, expression, body language, and above all, sincerity. In an organization, communication ensures that instructions are understood, feedback is provided, and cooperation is maintained. Poor communication leads to confusion, duplication of effort, and unnecessary conflict. Equally important is the role of leadership. A good leader does not merely command. He or she guides, encourages, and sets an example. Leadership is not about enjoying privileges, but about assuming responsibility. A true leader displays discipline by regulating his or her own conduct, demonstrates efficiency by showing results, and proves adaptability by responding wisely to unforeseen challenges. Such leadership inspires others to follow with enthusiasm rather than compulsion. Finally, let us remember that success is not measured merely in terms of salary, position, or recognition. True success lies in the ability to perform one's duties with sincerity, to live with integrity, and to contribute to the welfare of others. Discipline ensures that we stay on the right path. Efficiency ensures that we use our time and resources wisely. and adaptability ensures that we remain strong and relevant in a changing world. In conclusion, I urge each of you to reflect upon these values and to apply them diligently in your personal as well as professional journey. Let us strive to cultivate discipline in our habits, efficiency in our work, adaptability in our attitude, and sincerity in our communication. By doing so, we shall not only achieve individual progress, but also contribute to the advancement of our nation and humanity as a whole.